Hello, welcome to Minecraft Pocket Edition. We play with the sun. Oh, I break the sun. Sorry. I'm playing a Minecraft Pocket Edition with 390 period along. Okay. We need to go in the house. I'm so surely hard. I need to put many cod put here. I don't need sand because it's look like boring. I say again, hello, welcome to Minecraft Pocket Edition. We playing Hunger Games with Minecraft internal 390 period. And we start to create a Hunger Games game environment. We need to get mine sharp here. Oh, many sharp. To find a iron item. Oh, I have forgot armor. Feet armor. I need to mine here and here and here. Oh, I see an iron. You see the iron? Wow, no. You see the iron? So beautiful. Iron. Okay, start. Bye.